Good morning, friends. Myself, Y.M. Hade, presently working in Rajarshi Shaw Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasa. Today we are see the unit number 5, hydraulic turbine. So in that we see the turbine concept, all data related to turbine. So let's start. So let's see the turbine. So this whole unit is for 14 marks. So turbine is defined as the hydraulic machine which convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. So this mechanical energy in running an electric generator which is directly coupled with the shaft of the turbine. Hence the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy and the electrical power obtained from hydraulic energy is known as hydraulic power. At present, the generation of hydraulic power is created by oil and coal. So, first is a general layout hydroelectric power plant. The figure, firstly draw the figure. General layout of hydroelectric power plant. So this is a hydroelectric power plant. First is a dam, second is a penstock, third is a nozzle with spear rod, next turbine runner. So H is a total head, HG is a gross head, HF is a head loss due to friction. So left side is a head race. So draw layout of hydroelectric power plant. आलो आलो 5 एक मिनिट लेक्चर चालू आहे रेकॉर्डिंग. So the figure shows layout of hydroelectric power plant. It consists of dam across the river to store the water. Next is a pipe with large diameter called as penstock, which carry the water from reservoir to turbine. These pipes are made up of steel and concrete. The turbine having different types of vane fitted to the wheels. So next is a tail race. So what is a tail race? It is a channel which carries water away from the turbine. So the surface of water in the tail race is known as tail race. So gross head, the difference between head race level and tail race level called as gross head. So next is a net effective head. So net effective head is defined as the head available at the inlet of the turbine when water is flowing from head race to the turbine. A loss of head due to friction between water and penstock occurs. Through there are the losses also such as loss due to bend. The pipe fitting losses at the entrance of the penstock. So the small magnitude as compared to head loss due to friction. So HF is a head loss due to friction between penstock and water. So this is a layout of hydroelectric turbine. So what is a hydroelectric turbine? So what is a turbine? General layout of turbine. So working of turbine is similar to the turbine workings. So whenever water come from dam, it impact on a nozzle with spare rod. So when nozzle with spare rod decreases pressure, increases velocity, and this water impact on turbine rotor, and due to that turbine rotated. When your turbine rotated, this turbine shaft coupled with generator shaft and convert kinetic energy of shaft into the electrical energy. So in this way electricity is generated with the help of turbine. सो डायग्राम व्यवस्थित ड्रॉ करा, एक 2 मिनटं देतो, व्यवस्थित क्लिअर करा. So next is a classification of turbine. So how to classify the turbine? So turbine is classified according to the types of energy available at the inlet of turbine. Direction of flow through vane, the head at inlet of turbine. So following are the important classification. First is according to types of energy at inlet. So first is the impulse turbine, second is the reaction turbine. Second is according to the direction of flow of through runner. So firstly write down all classification, then I will explain. झाले का लिहून? So the classification of turbine is follows. First is according to types of energy at inlet. So there are the two types, impulse turbine and reaction turbine. So what is the impulse turbine? So the water coming from the dam and impacting on runner along the tangential. So this is a impulse turbine. And reaction turbine, when water enter from through the penstock and impact on the runner radially, so that is a reaction turbine. So second is according to the direction of flow of runner. So first is a tangential flow runner, second radial flow tangential flow turbine, second is a radial flow turbine, third is a axial flow turbine, and fourth is a mixed flow turbine. So tangential flow, radial flow, axial flow and mixed flow. There are the four types of flows. So again I repeat, tangential flow turbine, radial flow turbine, axial flow turbine and mixed flow turbine. So next is a, so that means tangential, along the tangents. Radial means that radial direction. Axial means on the axis of runner. And mixed flow, there is both radially and mix. So next is according to the head of turbine. Head means height. So there are the three types, high head turbine, medium head turbine and low head turbine. Again I repeat, high head turbine, low head turbine and medium head turbine. So there are the, according to the head of inlet, high head turbine, medium head turbine and low head turbine. So high head, that is a impulse turbine, medium head is a Kaplan turbine and low head is a Francis turbine. So third is according to direction, according to the specific speed. So low specific speed, medium specific speed and high specific speed. Again I repeat, low specific speed, medium specific speed and high specific speed. If at the inlet turbine the energy available is only kinetic energy, the turbine is known as impulse turbine. As the water flow over the vanes, the pressure is atmospheric from inlet to outlet. If inlet of turbine water possesses kinetic energy as well as pressure energy, it is known as reaction turbine. So as the water flow, second is according to the direction. As the water flow from the runner, there is a water pressure, under pressure energy goes changing into kinetic energy. This runner is completely enclosed in an airtight casing and the runner and casings completely fill the water. So if the water flow from tangent to the runner, then runner is called as tangential flow runner. The water flow radially, that is a radial flow runner. If the water flow outward to inward, that is inward flow turbine and outward radial flow. If the water flow through runner along the parallel to the axis of rotation of runner, this type is called as axial. So in this lecture we see if the water flow through runner in the radial direction but it leaves from parallel, then it is called axial. So radial flow, axial flow, tangential flow and mixed flow. So these are the, write down this. So in today's lecture we see the first is a turbine, what is a turbine, then layout of turbine, general layout of turbine, then turbines Next, there is a classification of turbine. So today in next lecture we see the types of turbine. So thank you.